Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. My name is Jeanette and today I have the biggest Bath and Body Works haul that you will ever see. Mark my words, this is huge. I got so many things on Black Friday and then I went back to Bath and Body Works for Candle Day and I bought so many more things. This is the huge and really heavy bag from Black Friday, along with the $30 box that you were able to buy, and then another 2 bags of stuff from Candle Day. Everything is so heavy, and some things I bought for myself, some things are gifts for others, and I'm just going to show you everything that I got. And it's gonna be a long video, so settle down, relax, get something to drink, get a snack maybe, because we're gonna be here for a long time. The first thing I got is this 1,000 Wishes gift set. It comes with a lotion, a body wash, and a perfume. At first I was gonna give this to my grandmother for Christmas, but then I got her something else instead, so I'm gonna give it to someone. I just don't know who yet. Then I got this gift set for my mother. Mom, if you're watching and it's not Christmas yet, skip ahead because I don't want to spoil anything. It has a nice little bow. You just untie it, open it, and it has the full-sized Japanese cherry blossom perfume, body wash, and lotion. Then I bought 3 hand sanitizers. I bought the warm vanilla sugar, the Japanese cherry blossom, and the eucalyptus and spearmint one. Then to give as Christmas gifts, I got these wall scents. I got the champagne toast scent and the Merry Mimosa scent. These are both amazing scents and I love them both. I don't know which one I like more, probably the champagne toast. So I'm gonna give these as Christmas gifts. And next, on Black Friday, I bought 6 candles, which is going to probably take me a whole month and a half to burn, so I'm gonna have to go back to buy more, but that's like a whole other story. So stay tuned for a future Bath and Body Works haul for when I run out of all these things. And you guys really seem to like my last one, so I figured I would do another one for you guys. It's probably the best video on my channel right now, so I've been dying to go back and to make another video so you guys can enjoy a second one. So the first candle I bought on Black Friday is champagne toast in a little Christmas container. This candle smells so good. I feel like my nose is having an orgasm just smelling it right now because of how amazing it smells. When the Christmas season is over and I'm gonna burn not Christmas scents, this is probably, maybe not, but probably gonna be the first candle that I burn, and it's gonna take me like 2 days to go through. So honestly, I probably should have bought 2, but the next candle that I bought is my favorite scent of all time, and it is the Marshmallow Fireside. Again, I feel like I'm having an orgasm in my nose just smelling how good it smells. It's amazing. And if you guys have never had a Marshmallow Fireside candle before, literally, what are you doing with your lives? Go to Bath and Body Works right now and get a Marshmallow Fireside candle, and you will not regret it. And let me know in the comments down below how much you love it, because you will. And if you don't, like, you should get your nose checked, but like, no offense, but it's just so good. Then I got the crushed candy cane scent, probably to give to someone else for Christmas, because like, it's a nice smelling candle, but it's like not one I would want in my room at all times, so I bought this to give to somebody else as a Christmas gift. Then I bought frosted cranberry. This one smells really good. It's not my favorite scent like the champagne toast and Marshmallow Fireside, but this one does smell really, really, really good. I'm probably gonna burn this one next because I feel like it's a really good Christmassy scent, and I'm so excited for Christmas. At the time I'm filming this, it is December 11th, so it's so close but yet so far away to Christmas, and I cannot wait. And then I accidentally bought a second one of it because I was going to grab something else but I guess I wasn't paying attention and I grabbed a second one of this, so I might give this one away as a gift because I really don't need two, especially because it's not one of my favorite scents of all time. So I might keep it, I might give it as a gift. I have no idea, but we will figure it out and we will see. Then I bought 'Tis the Season. This scent, at first I didn't really like it that much, but then it really grew on me. And it's such a good Christmas scent and I love it so much. And it smells really good. Now that I'm thinking about it, I have no idea where I'm gonna store all these candles because I bought so many. I don't even think they're all gonna fit in my normal storage space, but we will see. Also, if you guys want to see a candle collection video, comment down below because I think that would be a really fun video idea and I would love to do that for you guys, especially because like I said in the beginning of this video, you guys really seemed to like my Bath & Body Works haul that I did in October, so I think you guys would like a candle collection because you seem to comment a lot about the candles too. So comment down below and let me know if that is a video you would like to see, and if it is, I will 100% do that in a heartbeat for you guys. So now I'm gonna go into the $30 box that I bought, and I think like the $30 box is perfect because you get so many things, you can try out new things, and you can give gifts out as Christmas presents if you don't like any of the scents. The $30 box comes with 9 things and most of them are full size, which is probably the best deal of all time. So the first little mini candle is crushed candy cane. Like I said before, this isn't one of my favorite scents, so I'm probably not gonna keep it for myself, but since it is a mini one, it might be fine for me to light in my room and not get like a huge headache because it won't last as long as a 3-wick candle, but we will see. Next is a crushed candy cane hand sanitizer and a little Santa hat holder for it. And then a crushed candy cane lotion, which I feel like doesn't smell as strong as the candle, so I'm probably gonna keep this one for myself, but I might give away a whole crushed candy cane of like everything as a gift. I am not sure yet. Then there's a 'Tis the Season candle, so now I have 2 of them because I bought one, so I might keep one, might give one away. I have no idea, but it smells really good. It kind of smells similar to the frosted cranberry candle, so if you like that one, you're probably gonna like this one. Then is a 'Tis the Season hand soap, and I love the little reindeers on the hand soap. And then they have a bunch of the Dahlia scents. I'm pretty sure this is a new scent from Bath & Body Works, but I have no idea honestly. It comes with a body spray and it smells really good, but I am not a big fan of body sprays. I have my perfume that I wear every single day and I only wear like the same ones, so I might give the Dahlia ones away as presents. And it comes with a Dahlia lotion and a Dahlia body wash. So I got all of those things for $30. And I got 9 things for $30, which is a little more than $3 an item, and for everything except for 2 things being full sized is literally so crazy. I don't know how much I can express how crazy it is. So if I guess next Black Friday you guys are shopping at Bath & Body Works, you should definitely get the little box that they have because it is such a good investment because you get so many things for so little money. And I've been filming for about 15 minutes already and I still have so many things to show you, so this is crazy. So I bought 2 little bags full of stuff. I bought 6 candles. However, in the store I thought I liked the scent of the strawberry pound cake scent, but then when I got home I smelled it again and I didn't like it as much, so I gave that one to my mom. So that's why I have 5 candles to show you here, but I did buy 6 of them. So that was the first one that I bought. But I am going to start with the not candle things and make my way to the candles. So I bought the Marshmallow Fireside hand soap because I literally am obsessed with the Marshmallow Fireside scent, if you couldn't already tell. I bought a Winter Candy Apple hand lotion because my hands are always dry, especially when I'm at work and they're under the water, sanitizing them literally all day long. So I had to buy some lotion to put in my backpack to keep my hands nice and moisturized. And then to keep in my backpack too, I got the Cactus Blossom hand sanitizer. Then to go with the wall scents that I showed you before in this video to give as Christmas gifts, I bought this, the part that goes into the wall with a little succulent snail on it, which I thought was literally the cutest thing ever. So I had to pick it up. So now I have 5 candles to show you guys. The first one is Market Peach. It's kind of strong, but if you like the smell of peaches, it probably won't be an issue for you guys. And I love the marble design on the jar. I think that's so cute. And then when I went to Bath & Body Works to buy all these, I went to a different one and I wanted to buy some more of the holiday scents, but they only had not holiday scents, which I found weird. So I got Black Cherry Merlot. This is the closest to a holiday scent that I was able to find. And it smells so good. I cannot wait to just devour this candle. Not devour it because I'm usually be eating it, but just light the crap out of this candle. Next, I got Raspberry Mimosas because it smelled like a raspberry mimosa, and I am obsessed with this candle, and I love the pink purplish color that the jar is. The second to last candle that I have to show you is one of my favorite scents of all time. It is the Watermelon Lemonade scent, which I'm going to save for summer, but since it was there and it was $9 whatever the price that it was, I had to pick it up on sale. And then I picked up the Islands Margarita scent, and it smells so good. I'm obsessed, just like I'm obsessed with all of the scents of these candles. And I don't know about you guys, but I'm so picky when it comes to candles, so I was shocked that I was able to pick out so many candles that I enjoy. And also I bought a spray hand sanitizer too, but that's downstairs right now, but I'm pretty sure it was the eucalyptus scent. So yes, that is everything that I have to show you guys today. I have been filming for 20 minutes, which is the longest I've filmed like a sit-down video for, and I feel like I'm losing my voice right now. I don't know if you guys can hear that I'm losing my voice, but I'm losing my voice right now because of how much I've been talking, and I have one more video to film today, so that's just, I'm gonna be dead by the end of that. So comment down below, like I said. Okay, so my camera battery died right as I was doing the outro for this video. So I just want to basically say, comment down below what other videos you guys would like to see. And if you're watching, I'm just so sorry this video came out so late. I had edited it like right when I filmed it and I uploaded it. But then like for some reason YouTube uploaded the non-edited version, which was just like so weird. So then things happened and I just needed to take some time to myself. So I didn't have a chance to re-edit this video until now, which is like January 17th. But I am just happy to be back. I know it was only like a 2-week break of me uploading, but it was like crazy. Life happened. But thank you for watching this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. And just subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out a lot. Comment down below what other videos you'd like to see. Comment down below if you love Bath & Body Works just as much as I do. Like this video if you liked it, and I hope to see you guys very soon in my next one. Bye.